Welcome to this educational video on a handy keyboard shortcut for Windows users.
Today,
We're going to explore the WIN shortcut trick plus left-right arrow. This shortcut is extremely useful for quickly organizing your open windows on your computer. By pressing the Windows key and the left-right arrow, you can easily move a window to the left or right half of your screen. This makes it easy to compare two windows side by side or maximize your workspace. To use it, head to the window you want to move. Hold down the Windows key and press the left or right arrow. Try it now to see how practical and effective this trick is in your daily life. Don't forget to practice regularly to become an expert at organizing your windows on your computer. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon for some fascinating new IT tips.